that man go through a lot when he just start out. They look at them keep funeral feed them do all kind of something. Everybody was at that man page. That I watch that man help people. I watch that man do some things for people where plenty not gonna do it. I'm telling you the truth.
Them are gonna love RT, my love. Listen, whether them want thinking fake or real, that's enough for their business. Then just leave.
And I can tell anybody this about RT. I can tell anybody who know him and who was on him page from them long time can speak. That man helped a lot of people. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not looking no friend from no social media people, but you have to speak the truth. You understand me? You have to speak the truth.
Look, I know what is my problem. When people come around me, you see energy when me have, them love it. But the problem is, them want to get up and do some things where me no want to do sometimes. You understand? Remember, me not do the Judas nothing. All me ever do, I try to take good out of him. But you see, true, because when him a cuss people, I not feel like cuss that somebody with him, that's a problem. So him feel like him not get by the same energy. First of all, me is a woman. Me is a woman. You understand? So here we go on. Me can't bother, me just go continue do what me do. But me I tell you mackerel, dirty nasty mackerel. Understand?
What happened? What mackerel say now? How she get in? What she call her name say? I want to them people, man.
You know, say me not go over mackerel. Me not watch mackerel. Even if me end up on mackerel live, maybe after 2 or 5 minutes me do and then me left. Because me can't stand them.
That's disgusting. They make the media get to them. They make TikTok money and get to them.
My love. I don't know. Them think everybody jealous. Me not have no hate towards none of them. People, me not have no hate towards nobody.
They need to stop it and live as one.
You will never see me click a live for nobody. Make them rub till them weak and bring down. Because I don't want to meet them and bring down. Nobody can bring me down, my love. You're crazy.
Hey, bling. This morning call blam them. An RT boss, I spiritual advisor. I blame them. The man know every blood now. Hey, the man they all over TikTok, you know, the man gone viral, you know.
Then you know see me send him a road. Remember I will away, you know. You know remember when him did just come all you did the night, you know. I you started first, you know, you know remember?
Yeah. But
I you first started.
But you me now have the time, master. Me can't, yo, bling, you send him on a road, you fuck.
I not laugh with him. Every time I saw me do. Anybody want me say I try, I say come sit down right here, so.
But I'm a big still, I'm not gonna lie to you.
But remember me tell him, you know.
You know.
But here I'm problem now. Here one.
Morning.
Morning, Rick.
Bling. That's why they can't like you because you send blam them and road blam them
everywhere. Me not stop promote him. Me not stop promote blam them straight.
Yo. But no, people hate him like Pies, you know, but people hate him for love him.
Them love him. Blam them straight.
Right now, RT have to sit down and watch blam them, the spiritual
but
vibes.
But know, RT needs to blam them a job. Because when RT ready, you never watch RT yet, and RT lay back so. And when he tell he say, blam them. Talk to people there. Blam them say, but so no matter. The blood clot the body say.
Hey. I blame them.
I'm video with RT and blam them. I think you RT and blam them. I mean I tell you say they're all over TikTok. It has about 2 million views.
Bossy what?
Views and followers.
Then me not make no money. Let me talk to you, boss. Then hold on. So bossy.
No, I want to talk, man. I just listen. Talk, man.
But me hear somebody all over the place, bossy. So me not make no money. You know me is all about the money. How them say we have much million views and me not make no money?
You know, Rich, and that's how it go. Them a liar. The money not really depend it that way. You have to steer with the money your way.
Yeah.
You have to build you first. Remember me out there already, you know?
Yeah.
You have to build. Once you build.
May I put in the work, man. May I put in the work, you know?
Well, one thing I say, I give them to the floor. I say one thing go on the floor. You know what I notice? I mean, I will say this to your fans, and you can mean already, is every fucking way you're there. Me talk about you now. Everywhere you're there, and the way you're at, everybody go want piece of bling. And bling, the court case need to become more suck your mama and you have to qualify for in it. Because you're there everywhere. And now everybody go want come for you to get peace of the blessing.
I help you bring them
So
up.
you have to stop. I mean, you have to know the type of people them who we are addressing now. Like, if the destiny want to become the present, may kill the future. Now look at it. And that's going forward. You have to understand, say, it's not everybody. You see, you work for it, you work. You are at level 7 now. Lock the gate, and everybody can come.
So you tell them this morning.
No, but me want you know this. Certain people need to stop call, and the fans them, you need to make it stop call.
That's true.
We at and not them.
Hey, RT. Me tell him, say no. The couple member of the bottom community over there, so if you should just cut out, don't even mention their name.
Yeah. We could talk about World Dog, we could talk about at mix up. Anybody where we atter than, makes sense. We account views.
RT, I'm getting the gown. I'm getting the gown, the eyeglasses, and the hammer. I'm gonna
her name is Judge Blinger. Judge Blinger.
All right, Judge Blinger.
Yes, that's her name, Judge Blinger.
All right, the one lady named come with World Dog this morning, and I have to put a sheet over my head. So
there is an
last night I see her talk to my girl there.
So yes.
Last time I see her talk to my girl. What's your name? Cute girl, man. Which part not really trouble people still.
Who that?
What's your name?
It's
Triple.
Who did that trouble Triple?
No, I'm not saying nobody that trouble. I see her talk to her the other. I went yesterday and she feel like fearful. Like she want to come out, when somebody uncomfortable want to come out, but
because the people that
she never said nothing to me, and most of she and bling as attack. I never said nothing to her. What the fuck? Let me say something to you. We're more than these people, you know. Me feisty. And most of these people, me don't know, As since me come here, so me know them, Most of these people, me don't know. I mean, I think me want to know, because the level where me are them, I should even dare so right now, I show a bling, because me an international superstar. So for these people, me don't know. You get me? I really want to know. Because me don't know if it's God know me don't know.
Say your thing no normal. Say you have to there. You have to there for the thing.
Every time I tell him, and that's what I always telling myself. The problem is because artists
but one big case that we can beat with. I'm going to take it up.
Which case?
Right. Yes, Mr. My bring come. Because when I do the groundwork, one big case that we can beat us. And it'll beat me first. Because, me, them want to lick first, then they come at you. Watch a case there. The fans, them, let's be real. Who mentioned the order of baby Aidonia? How you go?
Okay. Here I go. That's what I come to you with yesterday. So I tell you, me have to fix it.
All right. Yesterday you said to me, say, Bossy, there's a case that right now. Oh, I said that's right, that.
Me I go tell you how it go. Listen what happened. You know one time we are bust it up and the question them are coming at the
but who say it? I just not want to get them.
I don't know, but guess what? Me ask you, so it come out of my mouth. So here what happened.
What me say?
You know, some remember you never did even further.
Right. So we want to fight.
You never did send an article.
Yeah, I think you did left that. You know, look this up because when me need to do RT, me need to stop. Me need to stop, read the question them to you because you want me to tell you why? Me head no dead sometime and you wear talk so fast.
You easily get distracted. Get distracted.
Me try bringing the people them to ask you the question. So like me here talk now, right? Me say, so RT, so you're not gonna sleep. Me ask you because it's a question that come up either on top of my screen or in my comments. So me not think. So that's now me see it a beat me now all over the place for Instagram. So I go fix. I made a talk to your boy yesterday, so me need to fix that. I make the people them know say, all right, here what? Kids off limit, really. And the question there, But just never did focus. Cause everybody know I'm gonna do kids.
Yeah, kids definitely off limit. Off limit. No believing in nothing near come near the kids.
Yeah.
All right. Who remember when the guy up here saw Sizzler and DJ Khaled did that in a little fiction and that burn up the placard. You see what I'm doing? Him say kids. I love the babies and he tear out the kids' face them and put them one place and don't burn the kids them. That for sure say yo, no matter what disagreement you and somebody have, take the kids them out tight. Nobody not supposed to have this RT kids them. Nobody not supposed to have this bling a kids them. Now no
Nice
body
kids,
kids.
every
No,
other
them
kid.
diss
You
me.
know what
Them
I'm saying?
diss my kids all
Every
the
other
time.
kid.
My answer
And
one somebody with
we
this
have to
kids.
talk. We have to talk to blame them with that thing there too. You know what I saying? Now for sure him say yo.
Yeah, but me may say
your
something
kids.
to you, my daddy. When people get weak, them find those grounds.
Yes.
So your argument dead. I
And
just
sometimes you have to go
because you
down
have
to
to
feed them
understand,
better.
say, even if you not do it, the aggressor, somebody are gonna do it for you, for weak, you know, and then you are gonna use it back for get strength. It's a part of the game, it's not right, but I just people. I want to say something.
Hey,
I get
RT,
to
before you say what you say, no. Blame them, listen to you, you know.
So you said me for
Sometimes
chat
you will
to
listen
you.
to
Get
me.
Blam them rate him. Blam them rate him bad. That's why
But-
nobody now come this blam them.
So when you say general, so you say yes, queen, me hear you. So you say based on your observation, Joe, listen to me, you feel like I'm your best person to talk to him.
Yeah, you're the best person
Yes.
to talk to him. He will listen to me
RT
sometime, you know.
Listen to me now. But yeah,
Yeah,
you see true because
sometime.
you see true yeah what go on. You see true because remember I used to this RT, you know. And I said no. Me and them money I come from. That's how me I telling the people. I not just know. Me and
Can
RT.
you do this me?
Like that I just simple something. And me I said
The
no.
blood clot, you can imagine if me debug him.
No, me I said no. People no member now. And then me I said no man. Me and RT them a come from the gram. Cause we no belong over here so. Over here so we no come. A Instagram we there. So,
All right. Yeah, what me want to tell, no, and then you see, there's something on YouTube where me want everybody know. Listen to this. Me go on YouTube and me see a man call me name. And hear what them I say now. And this is why I beat now. And I beat me. But here what me I gonna do. I'm not going to answer it. And the reason I'm not answer it, people, is through me, depend on level of celebrity, me I make uno take the beating. I will not feel like me a pussy or feel like me a coward. The only reason why me not answer, them a look a hype for me long time. I mean limit who me a hype. So me know that one you go beat you, no one to hear it, me tell you no. But do not call me night. Uno fight it and help blame.
I'm just stay away from it totally.
You know,
I
some
am
lawyer
fight like
Pass up,
it.
you know. Just stay away from it totally.
Listen now. Me I hear now, them a, no, it's a I say RT boss. Because I mean them one go. They say RT boss has say that I don't sacrifice in Pitney.
Oh God. Stay away from that one, them, you know.
That is what that is what that's why I'm asking you know. That is what the blogger say.
yes, Miss.
But here why me I stay away from it. It's not I don't another Pitney. It's just that the blogger, Mr. Note, doctor, when you finish it. That's a look at hype.
But
I mean not
remember,
a time feed.
but all I know, the kind of him make film, dirty girl at this me, you know, and not say nothing. I go to him and I say, listen, dog. When RT have no problem, you know. Me not jump into it. But it's one time you have to say, me shouldn't say what me say to Lady Ann. Because Lady Ann, this me pan him live. I mean, you know, rub out Lady Ann, wicked. So me is a bad person. This is how me not understand with people. People feel like because them have a little name, then can come for blame.
Bling, you got a different topic. With the